everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I've got a really exciting video. I'm going to be doing a glam makeup tutorial. So I've actually done all my base makeup because I wanted to focus on the eye makeup today, because you know how long my videos are, you know how long it's going to be if I show the whole makeup. So I thought I should do my eye makeup for you today, but I'm going to be telling you everything else I used already on my face, my base makeup and my eyebrows. But today I'm actually doing a collab with, HeyItsEva, or Ava. I'm pretty sure it's Eva though, because if it was Ava I'm pretty sure it would begin with an A and it begins with an E, so that's how I can tell. And she's really good YouTuber, but she deserves so many more subscribers, honestly. It's just, she puts so much effort into videos, and I think you all need to go subscribe to her, so please do that. So basically, sorry about my squeaky chair, also ignore my nails, look, I chopped them off. Such a start, I'm so embarrassed. Anyway, but basically we're doing a collab, and she's going to be doing a really simple makeup and I'm be doing that glam over the top makeup. My eyeshadow is going to be like, so keep watching to find out. And she's at 17 subscribers, and I really, can we try and get her to 30 by, this is going up on Monday, let's get her to 30 by the end of next week, please, because that would mean a lot to me. And she's absolutely stunning. Yeah, all subscribe. Okay, let's just get started for this video. I'm so excited. I'm really excited. Okay, so I love doing makeup, well, obviously. I'm going to start with tying my hair back, actually, because we don't want it to be getting in our way now, do we? Because that's the most annoying thing in the world, is when your hair gets in your way. And then I've got these little cute cat ears. I'm not actually going to use them to put on my hair, keep my hair. Here I am. Look, I'm cute. I'm like a proper YouTuber. I've got cat ears. Oh my god, I'm so professional. No, I'm joking. Okay. Sorry guys, I'm really not professional. That was okay, is that too close? Is that like really close? Is that weird? Is this weird? Is this really close? Hang on. Are we filming? Yeah, we are filming. Okay, so I'm actually going to be doing this whole look using the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette. Now this is £56 and it's absolutely one of my favourite all-time palettes. So pigmented and it's just absolutely gorgeous. But before I do that, I'm going to be showing you what I used on my face today. So it's been on for like quite a few hours now. So I actually first of all used the e.l.f. Blemish Control Face Primer, and then for my foundation I mixed together the two L'Oreal foundations, the L'Oreal True Match and the L'Oreal Infallible 24 Hour. And then for my concealer under my eyes, the Bourjois Radiance Reveal. And for my spots, which you can see quite a lot today but I don't care, is the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. My powder, I use the Laura Mercier Loose Translucent. My contour, I use the Contour Kit by Anastasia Beverly Hills in the shade Light to Medium, and I use that shade there. And then for my, I didn't do blush today actually, and then for my highlight I use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Sugar Glow Kit, and I used a little mix of all of the shades. Okay, that is what I used today, so we're just going to get straight into the eyeshadow. Okay, so actually I'm going to use tape because tape helps a lot, not really a lot, not going to lie. I swear that's what I say in my videos, like, not going to lie. I'm trying to make this video short in a way, because we all know my videos are like 20 hours long. Like, when have I made, like, most of my videos are over at least 15 minutes. I mean, I do have some that are below, but I'm going to come back when I've stuck the tape on. Okay, so are we filming? Okay, so I've got my tape on and I'm going to start by using the shade Bay. Mommy. You see? The shade Bay, which is that one there, and my Spectrum VO6 brush. Okay, so I just dipping in, and I actually do need a mirror, so I'm going to take this mirror here, and I'm going, just shoving that all over my eye, just as base. I've still got a bit of remains of the pink from this morning, but that doesn't matter because the eyeshadow look we're doing is actually pink as well. So I love doing pink. Pink and blue just look so good with each other. Okay, now my base is done. Now I'm going to be taking my Sigma E40 tapered blending brush. I know, I'm so professional again. And using the shade, or what shade should we use? Shy, that one there. And this is actually the most biggest blending brush in probably the world. And you could use it for like highlighter, but that's clearly not what we're doing today. And you got to blend it really well. I don't oval shape more than winged out. And oh my god, look at me trying to be professional. This is like the first proper makeup tutorial I've done, which is weird because I love makeup and I love doing makeup tutorials, but this is the first proper one I've done. Well, like good one I've done. I mean, I've done some like when I first started my channel, but whoo, boy were they bad. Honestly, I went to see Breakfast at Tiffany's today. They like put it in the cinema again, even though it came out in 1960. I definitely was born in the wrong era. I needed to be alive in 1960s, honestly. That is just my goal. Well, it's a goal that I can never reach because I can't go back in time. Okay, we're done. Okay, so now I'm actually going to go in with the shade Flamingo, which is that bright pink, and I'm going to be taking my Sigma E40 again. This is like my favourite brush of all time. I sounded like China out with them friends then. I'm just going to want to make it much more pink and cute and girly. No, because we aren't going on a night out. Well, I'm not, because I'm going to be taken straight off after I've done it. But let's pretend we're going on a night out. We're going on a mad night out. Okay, this is called Summer's Mad Night Out makeup look. Mad minute makeup look. Mad minute makeup, mother. No, I can't. What am I doing? Oh my god, I'm so weird, honestly. Mad moo makeup. No, I need to stop now. It's not even funny. Okay, we've done that. Now I'm actually going to be taking the Morphe M321 brush, and I'm going to be going in with the shade Man Eater here. Oh, I'm swearing at you, sorry guys. Okay, and we're just going to be taking that on my cute little brush because it is quite cute, like we can't deny that. And I don't know what this part is called, my eyelid, but you can just have a little cheeky look at it. Oh, it's called my crease, isn't it? That took me a while to get that one, didn't it? To the cheeky little bottom of the crease. And I'm going to repeat that on the other. I'm not sure if they look too similar, but I don't really care. To be quite honest with you, what yeah. Oh my god, I've gone American now. I'm going to take my Morphe nothing because it doesn't have a number, and taking the shade Bossy, which is this one here, which is what I am, and I'm going to be digging into it with the Morphe non-existent named brush, and taking that on top of where we put the other shade and really digging that into the crease really harshly. You need to make Bossy in the crease harshly. Didn't think I'd ever say it in my life. Sentence I never imagined saying, but I've just said it. If you go wrong, you can always clean it up at the end, so don't feel too pressured to make it go right. That is what it looks like so far. And I'm going to actually take my... Oh, I've got spots all over my leg. Oh my god, what am I going to do? Don't really know. I'm going to take my NYX glitter primer and I'm going to be putting that on my middle of my eye, and then taking the shade 24K, which is like a bright gold, and putting that in the middle. That was meant to sound like middle, but it didn't actually sound like middle at all, so that failed. I had to film this really last minute, that's why. Because you do not know how busy I am. Like literally I'm meant to be in bed right now because I've got school tomorrow, going back to school. So that's why this video seems so rushed. This is actually one of my, I've practiced this look quite a few times. If you manage to recreate it, please tag my Instagram. It's in the description. And then I'm just going to be taking my Morphe G10 brush and taking the shade 24K on the brush and then onto my eyelid. And no, I'm not going to use my finger actually because I remembered this palette works better with a finger. Oh my god, I'm so weird, I'm so weird. Comment down below if you want some more. Okay, so it looks a bit weird at the moment, but that's because we need to blend it a bit out. And we're taking that small Morphe non-nameable brush, and then I'm just going to blend the sides of the gold bit in, if that makes no sense, but it makes sense to me, okay? So it looks a bit weird, the actual eye makeup at the moment, because we haven't got lashes or eyeliner on, but I promise it will look non-alien in a minute. So this is the actual makeup eyeshadow done, the actual eyeshadow. But now we're going to do eyeliner, which I'm not that great at. I've never been that great at eyeliner. I just can't seem to get it sharp enough. But I'm going to go do it off camera because, you know, I just can't do it on camera. I'm going to be using the Soap and Glow Super Cat Skinny. Okay, so this is actually the eyeliner on. It does look a bit uneven, but we're going to do lashes now. So, I'm actually going to be using the Violet Voss. Oh, actually, no, before we do that, sorry, I've completely forgot. We've got to do our eyeshadow line thing. So, I'm going to be using the shade Man Eater and putting that in my under eye, like waterline kind of ting. No, don't say ting, some of that's so bad. Cringe. God, I just went straight in there carelessly, didn't I? I kind of like smudging it in with the eyeliner. It sounds a bit weird, but I do. And I go all the way down into my actual inner corner. This is the finished eyeshadow, but now we need to put lashes on, of course. So I'm using the Violet Voss Holy Grail. No, just laying. Don't know where I got a Holy Grail from. And I'm going to be putting them on off camera because, like I said, I am crap at doing eyelashes and doing things. But this is roughly what they're going to look like when they're on. They're going to look cute. That is the answer to that. Oh my god. Okay, let's just apply them lashes then. I'll be back soon. So this is actually the finished makeup. Cue the dramatic ending. What's that song that everyone uses for like their intros? It's like they're like, now I'm sorry if it seems a bit rushed. But I really like it for a rushed makeup look, and everyone should go and subscribe to HeyItsEva because she's brilliant, she's so gorgeous, and she's so good at YouTube. And yeah, everyone check out her video, it's coming up the exact same time as this. And if you feel like recreating this look, please tag me on Instagram. Honestly, it would mean the world. I love you so much. Bye.